How you doing today? Christopher Harrell over here at JTech. And basically what I'm going to be showing you today is your basic schematic for your side windows, your side view mirrors. And I'm going to show you how to trace your ground and your power. And show you what happens when you select the left or the right switch and hit your directional button. Alright, so this is the first one. On this one, on the select switch, it says right. So when it says right, you want to close on a select switch. You go to select switch. You want to close that and close it where it says right. The operational switch says down, so you will go where operation switch is at, and you'll connect where it says down right here, and you'll connect down right here. So now we're going to trace the power. Trace the power, you go to where it says fuse, hot in, accessory mode, or on. So in accessory mode or on, this is always hot. So you'll trace this. It's your power. And your power is going to come here to this connection. And you're going to come down. And you're going to trace it to the back. And you're going to trace it. Then when you get your ground, follow your ground. Up, and around, and since this is connected right here, you're gonna just bring it down to the front of this motor. So if you're gonna go to the front of this motor here, you have to come to the back here. So there's power and ground to the front and back of that motor. That's circuit 1. Alright, circuit 2, I'm gonna show you the same thing. It's pretty much the same. Select switch right. Select switch is right here. The operation switch is up. So you go where it says up, connect those, and up. This time I'm gonna show you how to trace the ground first. I'm gonna come up. You go past, then you go to where it's a connection. Once that's connected, closed, and then you come down to right here. Then you trace the power from here. You stop right here because there is no connection right here anymore to go straight down, so you will just follow that to there. Then you'll come down, then you can, it's a connection right here, so you'll come down here. That's your power on this one. Circuit 3, it's pretty much the same. This time we're going to end up on the left side. So what we're going to do first, as always, I'm going to select the switches. It says left, close left, leave right open. Your operation switch is to the left. So you're going to close where it says left, close that, and you're going to close that. We're going to trace the power first. I'm going to come out of the, like I said, it's always hot if it's in accessory mode or on. You come down, you will come here, and you'll come where it's closed at. The connection is closed. You're gonna come down. It's gonna go right there. Now you trace your ground like you normally do from where it's grounded at, and you will come around It's nothing's closed, everything's open. So you pass through there until you find out where the connection is closed. The switch is closed at. You come down. You come down to the front. Now on the last one, it's pretty much the same thing again. We'll start with the ground over here. Trace the ground. To where the operational switch is on the right. So we close everything that says right down. We're going to come this way. We're going to trace the power. Switch to left, so everything's left closed on the switch. We're going to come down, trace the power. It's connected, so you keep going down. And you come down to the front. And that's how you would trace your power in the ground. Right now I'm going to be doing a voltage drop test between pins 5 and 6 at the mirror switch. I already have my leads in. One goes into the black wire, the other one goes into the black wire, the other one goes into the light green wire. That's pin 5, that's pin 6. I'm going to turn my DVOM on to volts. I'm going to activate my switch to the right. And it should read battery voltage, which it is 11.5.
So that's done.
Next test I'm going to do is a voltage drop test.
There you go.
Alright, the next test I'm going to do is a voltage drop test between pin 6 at the switch, which is here, and pin 2 at the motor, which is here, which is a black wire. Both of them are black wires. So when I turn it on, I'm going to activate my switch to the right. And it says, since we're doing the wires, it's 14.6 in millivolts. Now I'll be performing the voltage drop test between pin 5 at the switch and pin 1 at the motor. Going to activate the switch. Should read in millivolts just like the other reading, and that's 9.2 millivolts. All right, now I'm gonna be performing an ohms test, which is a resistance test across pins 2 and 1 at the motor. What you want to do when you do ohms or get resistance, you turn your DVOM to ohms. Oh, I was supposed to isolate the switch, didn't I? Alright, now I'm going to be performing a voltage drop test between pin 2 and 1 at the motor. So now I activate my switch to the right. 11.37 for my voltage.
All right.
Like how the guys say,
I'm performing a resistance test between these wires at pin 6 and pin 2 at the motor. Pin 6 at the switch and pin 2 at the motor. Get my DVOM, I'm going to turn it to ohms. I'm going to measure the resistance, which is 1.2 ohms in that wire.
All right.
Test between. Now I'm gonna do an ohm test between 5 at the switch and 1 at the motor. I'm gonna turn it on ohms to record our readings. .8 ohms. That's it.